What's up, guys? It's Brian from Hashware Hub. It's about 10:36 a.m. January 25th, 2018. We're coming to a brand new video specifically on ReddCoin. We made one other video prior to this. But first, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell, upvote, re-steam, all greatly appreciated. If you guys are not on Steemit or DTube, go down below. You'll see the links there to Steemit on DTube. Sign up. If you guys are interested in cryptocurrency, you got to be on those platforms. So we're going to get into this really quick here because it appears as if the market's actually, it's actually falling off right now. And I wanted to pull up kind of what's going on here as I was going through some charts. We had made a video. I think we were back over here somewhere, and we have this kind of expanding channel that the market seems to have broken out into. So we have this wedge that's in this, this orangey line, this yellow, I guess mustard line, and then we have this channel. And so, like I always say, the market can exhibit multiple patterns at the same time. And so that's exactly what happened. It expanded out to the, in other words, the market kind of broke out of the wedge and it stopped directly on the channel, and it seems to be adhering directly to that. Now, another line that we draw was specifically this right here, this line right here, because what I see is descending volume. And anytime I see descending volume, I want to go ahead and start looking for triangles. And what I see is this triangle right here. It comes from the bottom here, it touches here. You could probably draw it where it actually touches, here again, and that would make this actually be crossing underneath. But I do believe that the triangle is probably more like this. And what's going to happen? Obviously, Bitcoin is driving all coins, but in particular with this triangle right here, this larger, in other words, the top of it would be this blue line, the bottom would be this line right here, has to come to some sort of decision point, and probably that decision point is probably going to be down. What I was looking for is possibly there may also be a head and shoulders pattern. There's a head and shoulders pattern. Possibly this would have been a head here, this would have been the left shoulder, this would have been the right shoulder. I don't see that happening at all, so I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to delete these. I don't see that happening at all. The reason why I don't see that happening at all is because I don't see the volume happening right here. And this is really the right shoulder is really the one that you want to see higher volume than you want to see versus the left shoulder. The head always has to have high volume, but the right shoulder has to have higher volume than the left shoulder to be a real nice head and shoulders. And it doesn't appear to be that right now. So what do we have right now? So where is this thing going to sell off to if it sells off? Where it looks like it possibly may sell off to is specifically in. Can you take it on the other side? Where it may specifically sell off to is specifically this level right here. This level right here, which is 0.00811, has a bottom right here, has a bottom right here where it touched in two different spots at the very least. And this is probably the next spot where the market may test another low, right? This would be the third time it tests this low. If it tests this low, I would not be surprised if it then tries to then go ahead and get back into the triangle. Okay, I would not be surprised. A lot of this hinges on Bitcoin. What is going on with Bitcoin? Bitcoin is also testing a support line right here. You could see it's down, up, now back down again. If Bitcoin kind of pierces through this definitively, most likely it's going to break down to this dashed line right here, which is somewhere around the 10,000, call it 200 level, give or take. So this is where we are in Verge right now. There's a good chance that it may sell off here. If it doesn't sell off, there has to be some sort of decision point. Either go sideways or it goes up. My bet is that it's gonna go down, but it all has to do with regards to what's happening with Bitcoin, in particular right now with this point on ReddCoin. So we're gonna leave it there for right now. There's a few other things going on, but I'd like to get this to you guys as soon as possible, and it obviously takes us a few minutes to get the video out to you at the very least. So with that, upvote, re-steam, greatly appreciated. Subscribing, same thing as well. Speak to you guys soon. Happy trading.